Mitrulara Bandrulara, Mitrana, Vanakkam and Swagatam. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps, Intellectual Chatriya's channel, Education channel. We are continuing our Uttaranchal series, that is Uttarakhand series. This is the part 10. We are talking about Mandakini River Basin. This the red blob colored region is the Mandakini River Basin. This is the part 10. Mandakini River is a direct tributary of Alaknanda River. Alaknanda River joins with Bhagirathi Mata, Bhagirathi River and at Devaprayag temple town, then it is known as a Ganga River downstream. Before that, Mandakini River joins Alaknanda River at a place called Rudraprayag. There are 5 Prayags, Panch Prayags, that is Devaprayag, Rudraprayag, Karnaprayag, Nandaprayag, Vishnuprayag. Vishnu here D, Vishnuprayag. If you remember Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Savarkar, Vishnu, where Alaknanda river starts are Vishnuprayag, Dhauliganga joins Alaknanda river, and Devaprayag, Bhagirathi joins, that is the top and northern southern parts of the Prayags. And Mitranam, and I have posted in the beginning a broad 27 physiographic regions of Uttaranchal, Devabhumi, Uttarakhand. And that gives a bird's eye view, a broader perspective, Vihanga Vikshanam of the entire region in totally different perspective. If you just listen that for a couple of times, you will be very, very knowledgeable about this particular region of Bharat Mata, Bhumata, Mother Bharat. This series will be very unique. I will talk about the physiographic region and show you 3, 4, 5 maps, topographic maps that will impress you how the land really looks. So you have to stay at the end to get the best part that starts from the later half of the presentation. And this is our Uttaranchal series and we are in part 10. Mandakini Basin or Valley. I use the term here Basin Valley interchangeably in the Uttaranchal series. Mitranam, and if you are new to my presentations, this is South Asia Maps J. Reddy YouTube channel. There are 604 presentations on nearly 70 playlists. You can pick and choose the topic of broader your interest. I can look at them. South Asia Maps J. Reddy. Why we should look at the physiographic regions rather than the political regions. See, this is the political map of Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand region. This is the physiographic map. Here you just see the province, state, adjoining regions, taluks, tehsils and boundaries, nothing else. Here you can see a very fascinating idea, Himadri regions, that is the greater Himalayas, and Himachal regions, the middle Himalayas or inner Himalayas or lower Himalayas. Then you have outer Himalayas, that is the Sivaliks here. You can see the Tarai and Babar and Ganga Maidan and so. This gives you a deeper, broader perspective. And if you understand this, you can very easily get a deeper aspects of the entire culture, civilization of that area. That is the difference between the political, administrative geography and physical geography. We are talking about the Mandakini River. Mandakini River is a tributary of Alaknanda River. Alaknanda River got many tributaries and among which right hand tributary is the Mandakini, the one in the red area here. So these are the abbreviations, very broad. We have been looking at series. The entire Uttaranchal province, eastern side demarcated by the Kali Nadi or Kali River, Mahakali River, or Sarada River. The three names are used for that. Same river. Downstream is called Sarada actually. This is the Mahakali province of Nepal. Western side it is demarcated by the Tons, Pabar and Yamuna. This is the border. Where this is the Alaknanda, this is the Dhauli Ganga. That is western Paschim Dhauli Ganga joins Alaknanda. Alaknanda continues. Alaknanda gets waters of Bhagirathi and becomes Ganga. Ganga. So this Ganga, Alaknanda, Dhauli Ganga, this region almost divides the province into two more or less equal parts. Alaknanda river here, Bilangna river here, Bhagirathi river, Yamuna and Tons and Pabar river, and yeah, we will see this is the same in little more details, the same map I have shown here. So I will be just walking around the boundaries and district titles, and later we will see the actual maps where you will get much out of that. The head streams of this river, that is the Mandakini River. You remember Mr. MR, Mandakini River or represents Rudraprayag. That is the mouth on Alaknanda River. At Rudraprayag, Mandakini joins Alaknanda. That is one of the 5 Prayags. Mr. Mandakini Rudraprayag. Head streams means the river and the streams upstream. Sometimes which is the source of the river is also little bit speculative. Vasuki Ganga, Kali Ganga, Madhyamaheshwar. That is Mandakini River. Boundaries are the north is the Alaknanda Basin. This is the Alaknanda Basin on this side, and Bilangna Basin on the west side. Alaknanda Basin this side, Bilangna Basin that side. Northern part is Kedarnath, Badrinath ranges. I will reduce this. Northern part is Kedarnath, Badrinath, Alaknanda Basin, Bilangna Basin. Landmarks are Chorabari Glacier is around about 3895 meters, and Rudraprayag town is on the Mandakini River, that is round about 690 meters. Ukimat town, further town, is also on the river. Rudraprayag town at the junction of Alaknanda and Mandakini and Ukimat are on the river. Most of the modern Rudraprayag district, previously it used to be the part of Tehri Garhwal princely state, Jakoli and Rudraprayag and Ukimat tehsils, we can see. If you see, this is the Mandakini river, this is the Kedarnath and Badrinath. You can see this is the Alaknanda basin, Bilangna basin. So these are the borders. We have seen that, and we will go and look at the actual river. Remember, river has 3 upstream feeder rivers. So you have the Mandakini river. This is Devaprayag. So this is the Alaknanda river. Alaknanda river, Mandakini. So Mandakini river has 3 head streams. Very easy to remember. Vasuki Ganga, Kali Ganga, Madhyamaheshwar. Madhyamaheshwar, Kali Ganga, Vasuki Ganga are the streams, head streams of Mandakini river. You can see the Mandakini river basin, Alaknanda basin, and this is the Bilangna basin, river basin. Alaknanda river here, this is the Dhauli Ganga, Paschim Dhauli Ganga, joins Alaknanda at Vishnu Prayag. It gets Nandakini and Nandaprayag and Pindar, Karna Prayag, and Rudraprayag will be Mandakini at Devaprayag, Bhagirathi rivers. So here you can see the river. Always start with your landmark Bijnor and Garmukteshwar, Bijnor and Ganga river. Then the Haridwar and Ganga river. Rishikesh will be here. Missouri ranges, the Ganga river cuts to. This is the Devaprayag, Alaknanda river. Remember, this is the Alaknanda river, Badrinath temple town here, Joshimath here. This is the Dhauli Ganga, Paschim Dhauli Ganga, that is western Dhauli Ganga. There is eastern Dhauli Ganga that joins the Kali Mahakali river near Nepal border. So western. So you can see fascinating Alaknanda River. This is the Prayag Pindar River. This is our interest. That is the, you can see the Mandakini River basin. So this is the Badrinath, Kedarnath, and downstream is the Mandakini River basin. It joins at MR, Mr. means Rudraprayag. And this is the Devaprayag, the river continues. So here you can see a broad, always starts with the Alaknanda River, Badrinath, Mana village, Mana Pass, Alaknanda River, Prayag River, Saraswati River. They have different nuances of stream. Prayag here, this is the Paschim Dauli Ganga River. And you can see this is the Pindar River. This is the Prayag. This is the Birahi Ganga, Nandaprayag here. This is the actual river we are looking. You can see here 3. This is the Vasuki Ganga, Kali Ganga, Birahi Ganga. This is the Badrinath and Kedarnath peaks, mountains we looked at. This is the Gangotri Glacier, that you can see the Bhagirathi River here, Bhagirathi River here, Bhagirathi River here, Bhagirathi, Bilangna here. So this is the Prayag, that is the Devaprayag. This is the Mandakini. You can see very clearly Mandakini River. 3 upstreams, Vasuki Ganga, Kali Ganga, and Madhyamaheshwar, and the river continues Haridwar and so on. And the same river, this is a little bit not really three-dimensional, but sorry. You can see the same Alaknanda River, Paschim Dauli Ganga. That means this is the Mandakini. You can see. Sometimes this also helps, which is not very clear. You can see the Mandakini here. I have put the names. This is Madhyamaheshwar Ganga, Kali Ganga, and Vasuki Ganga. So this entire district is the Rudraprayag district. Remember, Prayag, the river joins, and there is also Ukimat town is on the northern part of the river. Here we have seen that. So Devaprayag, Srinagar, before Srinagar, this is the Rudraprayag, Mr. Remember, this is the river. These are the 3 streams, the one stream, other stream, other stream. Ukimat town is on the river, Mandakini River. And Mandakini continues at Rudraprayag, it joins the Alaknanda River. So again start with your landmarks. This is the Yamuna River, this is the Ganga River, and this is the Asan River, this is the Giri River, this is the Bata River, Shivalik Mountains, Haridwar, Dehradun, Vikash Nagar, Rishikesh here. Continue with the Ganga River, and so it's little hard here, but we can. So this is the Tehri, because you see the blue one, that means that is the Bilangna River. Go here, this is the Alaknanda River. You have to first catch the Alaknanda. This is the Mana Pass, Mana village. This is the Saraswati and Prayag, Vishnu. This is the Dauli Ganga, Paschim part. This is the Niti mountain. So this is the Joshimat and Prayag, like that. And this is the Pindar River. So continue here. Yeah, this is the one you can easily find. And also you can see 3 streams. This is the Prayag. So this is the Rudraprayag, Mr. Sometimes difficult to remember the Panch Prayags. So I remember Mr. Mandakini River, Rudraprayag, very easy. You can see these 3 streams you can see. This is the Vasuki, Kali, Madhyamaheshwar. Ukimat town will be somewhere here. So this entire is Badrinath, because this is the Joshimat area, Badrinath temple here. This is the Kedarnath. Gangotri will be somewhere here. This is the Bhagirathi River. So Mandakini River is a tributary of Alaknanda River, which is one of the contributor to Ganga, like Bhagirathi. So this is the part we are looking at, and do we get anything? So Devaprayag. So now the road is built along the This is the Badrinath. You can see the temple town. This is the Badrinath mountain range, Joshimath. That means this is the Paschim Dhauli Ganga. Vishnu Prayag will be somewhere here. Gopeshwar. Karna Prayag means where Pindar river. Remember, Karna was offered Pindar river. You can say by Yudhishthira. Rudraprayag means this is the Rudraprayag town. That means this is the basin. This is the Rudraprayag basin. The ball. This is the Kali Ganga. This is the Vasuki Ganga. Vasuki Ganga, Kali Ganga, Madhyamaheshwar, Kedarnath mountain range here. Okay, Rudraprayag. Here you can see that one. And see again Rudraprayag. You can see this the three upstream regions and this one and Rudraprayag here. And the same thing here is a little bit. The railway line is now being built. That means this is the Rudraprayag. So this is the Devaprayag. This is the Tehri town. This is the Bilangna river. So this is the river we are talking about. That is the Mandakini River, and this should be the Rudraprayag. So we essentially talked about the fascinating, and before we leave, I will show you the taluks. Remember, entire Rudraprayag district more or less is the Mandakini River basin. Previously, it used to be the part of Tehri Garhwal princely state, or simply that was the one of the hilly princely states in the British India. That was the British Garhwal. This is the Almora district in the British times. So Rudra Ikumat Taluk, Jakoli Taluk, Rudraprayag. So this maybe certain border areas also contribute some catchment and water, but essentially this is the Rudraprayag district. Remember, Mr. There's the Mandakini River, Rudraprayag. So that's what I wanted to talk now, and hope this will give you proper perspective, Mitronam. And next presentation, part 11, will be, I think this part 11. Yeah, I will take instead of talking about the physiographic regions in 11, in the 10b, we'll talk about the fascinating population density of Kumaon, Garhwal, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, United Provinces, entire Bharat, so that you will get a fascinating broader perspective. That is the Mandakini River. And see you later in other presentations. And if you like the presentation, you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends. And you are always welcome to put your comments in the comment box.